here is brand new tread on tires. As you can see, the raised indentation on the tire, where the wear indicator is compared to your bald indicator, and this is a very good traction, and you should not have hydroplane on these tires. This is marginal tire wear at this point. As you can see, your tread is getting down. There's the wear indicator. This is when your tire should be replaced, and you should start considering buying tires at this point. Start shopping around. This is an example of low tread. This is what we will call 1/30 seconds left on the tread. When you have 1/30 seconds or less on the tread, you have legally bald tires.